Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Before you begin, gather a few essentials to create your Apple ID successfully. You need a working internet connection and a device running iOS 15 or later. Have a valid phone number ready for two-factor verification and recovery. Choose a strong password with at least 8 characters and a mix of letters and numbers. Decide on an iCloud email address that is unique and follows Apple rules. Prepare a payment method if you plan to buy apps or iCloud storage later. Open Settings and tap Sign In to your iPhone, then choose Create Apple ID. Enter your name and birth date exactly as you want them on your account. When prompted for an email, select Use iCloud Email to create a new at iCloud. Com address. Invent a strong password and confirm it to meet Apple's requirements. Provide your phone number and verify it with the 6-digit code sent via text message. Agree to the terms and conditions to finish account creation. After creating your Apple ID, immediately enable two-factor authentication for account security. Add a recovery email address or a trusted phone number to help regain access if needed. Set up Face ID or Touch ID to sign in faster and more securely on your devices. Review iCloud settings and choose what syncs between devices, including photos and contacts. Consider upgrading iCloud storage if you expect to store photos or backups beyond the free 5 GB allocation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.